Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I have been posting, Google is ending support for third-party cookies in Chrome that are eventually going to be replaced by a feature called Privacy Sandbox. Now, in regards to the end of support for third-party cookies, in a video I posted at the beginning of August last month, which I'll leave down below, Google had added a new flag, a new experimental flag, in Chrome Canary 117, which back then was the latest preview, to test the third-party cookie phase-out. Now that video will be down below, but if we just head over to Microsoft Edge, in Edge Canary version 119, which is now the latest preview, now in the Microsoft camp, Microsoft now is following suit and has also added the same flag that now allows you to test the phase-out of third-party cookies now in Edge Canary version 119, which is the latest preview version. Now, just on a side note, before we dive a little bit deeper, in case you're unaware what third-party cookies are all about, basically third-party cookies are generated and placed on your device by a different website other than the website that you are currently visiting. So what this means at the end of the day is third-party cookies are created when you visit a website that includes elements from other sites such as third-party images or ads, just to mention a brief example. So that's more or less what a third-party cookie is and is all about. Now heading back to the experimental flag over in Microsoft Edge Canary. To get to this feature, as always, we head up to the address bar and we enter edge://flags. And the simplest to bring up the relevant flag is just to type in phase out. There we go. And the flag, as mentioned, exactly the same found in Chrome Canary, test third-party cookie phase out. Now the description reads, enable to test third-party cookie phase out. Now here's the important bit. Enabling this flag also enables FedCM and third-party storage partitioning. Now that's two bits of important information. First of all, it enables FedCM. Now what FedCM is all about, in case you're unaware. Basically, it stands for Federated Credential Management and is an API that basically provides a standard mechanism for identity providers to enable identity federation services in a privacy-preserving way without relying on third-party cookies. Now, that's a mouthful, but as mentioned, that basically doesn't rely on those third-party cookies, which, as mentioned, are slowly being phased out. Now, the second bit of information is enables FedCM and third-party storage partitioning. Now, third-party storage partitioning, what that does, it basically prevents sites from cross-site tracking you, as I mentioned in that example, what third-party cookies are all about. So third-party storage partitioning prevents different websites from cross-site tracking you, and that's just basically enhances your privacy and your security to some degree or the other. And if we enable this flag at this stage, obviously we have to restart the browser to apply that flag, but there's nothing actually visually to show you. These changes to test the in Edge Canary, the changes are all taking place under the hood, and you're not going to see any visual adjustments or actually front-facing features. So although this is taking place under the hood, as mentioned, it's going to prevent that cross-site tracking, and it's going to start testing the phase-out of third-party cookies. And by the way, the phase-out of third-party cookies should be completed by the end of next year, 2024. But as I get more information, obviously I'll post and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.